Hi there. I do not think we have met before. I am David.
Hello. No, I do not think we have. I am Sarah. It is very nice to meet you.
It is nice to meet you too, Sarah. Are you enjoying the barbecue? The food smells amazing.
I am, thank you. And yes, it smells absolutely delicious. I am just trying to decide what to put on my plate first. There are so many choices.
I know. It is a difficult decision. I have not seen you around the neighborhood before. Are you new to the community?
You have a good eye. Yes, I am very new. I just moved into my apartment here about a month ago. So this is my first community event.
Well, on behalf of the neighborhood, welcome. We are very happy to have you here. I have lived here for about 5 years now, and it is a wonderful place.
Thank you. That is so nice to hear. Everyone I have met so far has been very friendly, and this barbecue is such a welcoming gesture.
It is a great tradition. Now, let me help you with your food decision. You have to try some of the burgers from the grill. John from apartment 4B is in charge of the barbecue, and he is a master.
The burgers do look perfect. I will definitely have one of those. What about all these side dishes? Did everyone bring something to share?
Yes, it is a potluck style for the salads and desserts. It is always fun to see what everyone brings. I can tell you a secret. You must try the potato salad.
It does look very creamy and delicious. Is it a special recipe?
It is. It is Mrs. Gable's famous recipe. She lives in the little yellow house at the end of the street. She brings it every year, and it is always the first thing to disappear. You have to get some before it is all gone.
Mrs. Gable's famous potato salad. Okay, I will make sure to get a large scoop. This is such a lovely event. Does the community organize a lot of events like this?
They try to. This end of summer barbecue is the biggest and most popular tradition. They have been doing it every year for as long as I have lived here.
It is a really wonderful way to bring everyone together. In the last apartment building I lived in, I did not know any of my neighbors' names.
I have lived in places like that too. It can feel a little bit lonely. That is what the community association here tries to avoid.
The community association? They are the ones who organize this?
Yes, it is just a small group of volunteers who live here. They organize this barbecue every year. The main purpose is to welcome new residents like you and to give all the neighbors a chance to relax and get to know each other in a casual setting.
Well, I think it is a brilliant idea. I already feel much more a part of the community.
I'm glad to hear that. So, besides this event, how are you finding the neighborhood so far? Are you happy with your decision to move here?
I am absolutely loving it. It is much quieter and greener than my old neighborhood. I was so happy to discover the beautiful park just a 5-minute walk from here. I have been going there almost every morning.
The park is a real gem. It is one of the best things about living in this area. Have you tried the little coffee shop that is right next to the park entrance?
The one with the blue tables outside? Yes, I have been there a few times. They make the best cappuccino I have ever had.
They really do. Well, since you like the coffee shop, let me give you another local recommendation. If you're ever looking for a great place for dinner, you should try the Little Italian restaurant on Maple Street. It is called Mama's Kitchen.
Mama's Kitchen. I will write that down in my phone so I do not forget. I love Italian food. Thank you for the tip.
You are very welcome. They have the best homemade pasta. So, you said you moved into an apartment a month ago? Which building are you in, if you do not mind me asking?
I do not mind at all. I am in the Parkview building, the one at the end of the cul-de-sac. I have an apartment on the top floor.
The Parkview building is fantastic. You must have a beautiful view of the park from your apartment. And the top floor apartments get so much wonderful natural light, especially in the afternoon.
They really do. The afternoon sun is one of my favorite things about my new place. Where do you live, David?
I am in one of the townhouses on the other side of the community garden. I am at number 16. It is nice because my backyard opens right onto the garden path.
Oh, you are right next to the community garden. That must be so lovely and peaceful.
It is. I am not a very good gardener myself, but I enjoy watching my neighbors grow all their amazing flowers and vegetables. It is very impressive.
So, if you are not a gardener, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
My main hobby is probably cycling. I have a road bike, and I love going for long rides on the weekends. There are some great cycling paths that start just outside our neighborhood and go all the way out into the countryside.
Cycling sounds like a great way to stay active and explore the area.
It is. What about you, Sarah? Now that you have the park nearby, what do you like to do to relax?
Well, I am not much of a cyclist. I am a little bit scared of going too fast. My favorite way to exercise and relax is to go hiking. I love being on a trail, surrounded by trees.
You enjoy hiking. That is fantastic. I am a huge hiker too. I did not mention it because I was talking about my bike, but hiking is my other great passion.
Really? That is a wonderful coincidence. I was so happy when I moved here and saw how many beautiful hiking trails there are in the nearby nature reserve.
They are some of the best trails in the region. Have you had a chance to explore any of them yet?
I have. Last weekend, I did the trail that goes up to Sunset Rock. It was a little bit steep, but the view from the top was absolutely breathtaking. It was so worth the climb.
Sunset Rock is my favorite trail. I have probably hiked it more than 20 times. The view is amazing at any time of day. You can see the entire city from up there.
We have a shared favorite hiking trail. That is so funny. It is nice to meet someone else who appreciates a good, long walk in the woods.
It really is. I am always trying to convince my other friends to come hiking with me, but most of them think it is too much work. They would prefer to just watch a movie.
I know what you mean. It can be hard to find a hiking buddy. You know, since this community is so active and friendly, I was wondering if there are any official groups or clubs. Is there a community hiking club, for example?
That is a great question. There is not an official hiking club at the moment, but a group of us who enjoy hiking often organize informal group hikes through a community chat group. I can add you to that if you would like.
I would love that. That would be a great way for me to meet more people who share my interests.
Of course. And there are a few other official clubs. There is a very active book club that meets once a month. There is also the community garden group, who you can see over there, all talking about their giant zucchinis.
A book club and a gardening group. It really does sound like a wonderful and active community. I am so happy I chose to move here.
We are happy to have you, and everyone is very welcoming. You know, speaking of meeting people, do you see that woman over there with the red scarf?
The one who is laughing very loudly? Yes, I see her.
That is my friend, Maria. She is the one who organizes the community book club. She is one of the friendliest people I know. I would be happy to introduce you to her if you would like.
I would love that. But I am a little bit shy when it comes to meeting new people. I am never sure what to say.
Please, do not worry about that. Maria is very easy to talk to. And this barbecue is the perfect, relaxed environment for introductions. It is what this day is all about. Come on, let's go over and say a quick hello.
Okay, you have convinced me. It is time for me to be brave and social. Thank you for offering to introduce me.
It is my pleasure. It can be hard to break the ice when you are new to a place.
It really can be. Thank you so much for being so kind and welcoming to me today, David. You were the first person to talk to me, and you have made me feel so much more comfortable and at home here.
I am really happy to hear that, Sarah. It was a pleasure to meet you. I am always happy to see a new, friendly face in the neighborhood.
And I am so excited that I have found a new hiking partner.
Me too. We should definitely plan a hike to Sunset Rock together very soon.
I would love that. Well, thank you again for everything. Now, let's go and meet your friend Maria. And after that, I am definitely going to get a slice of that chocolate cake I see on the dessert table.